Look at all those bags. Alright, sorry, they're cutting a tree down outside, so I had to close the window. But anyways, so most of you guys know how hard it is to pack when you're traveling with little kids. And so the hardest thing for us is that right now it's a blistering 96 degrees outside. It's so hot. But we're going to Alaska, and it's supposed to be, the high is like mid 70s, but the low is actually the low 50s. So now we're having to get jackets. So we got to get, you know, I got to get hoodies for the for me, fleece for the kids, and we got, you know, then we got our little, what do you call that, buffalo check, the buffalo print jackets for everybody. So anyways, we're packing up. We're heading to Alaska tomorrow. So here we go. Let's go ahead and pack. Let's get all the suitcases and let's get them in there. I'm really hoping that this car seat bag that we got, this one right there, so the review said online that you can actually put 2 car seats in it if you flip them, you know, upside down. I'm hoping that it works because I really don't want to take an extra car seat bag, but yeah, just in case, we got a different one as well. So we'll know when we get to the airport. But yeah, we're already jam-packed. Look at this. I mean, we're already packed up the car, and we still got to put car seats in there. So anyways, here we go. We're getting ready to go to the airport. Flight is at 1:30. We're going to try to go a little bit early, maybe hit the lounge, Centurion Lounge. Not sure because it's in a different terminal, but anyways, here we go. Going to Alaska. Stay, 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 stay. Yes! Jammed it all in there. Can't even see out of the back. Alright, buddy, we are here in Seattle. So here we go, Seattle, part 1 down, 1 more to go. 3 hours.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great flight, guys.
same plane again. But we had to get food, and food was like all the way across the airport.
Alright, well Avery just told you. Alright, part number 2 is actually the same plane that we got off. So yeah. Harrison. Bye now.
Thank you. Thank you.
We are finally here in Anchorage. 7 hours later. We're gonna go out, we're gonna get our bags, go see Aunt Layla and Uncle Sean, and then go have some Moose's Tooth Pizza. Oh, you wanna say hi? Hi. Hi. So we just got into Anchorage. So after 7 hours of flying, we're gonna go pick up some Moose's Tooth Pizza. So good. I don't think I've ever seen the airport this busy before. The last time we were here, it was like 20 degrees and it was covered in snow.
Yeah, but the airport was almost clear. Like, there was like nobody.
Yeah, there's like nobody here, but now, nowadays, but not right now. Oh my gosh, there's so many people. Check out this moose. Is that a puppy? That's not a puppy. That's a moose.
No, you can't go over it. He's gonna try to get.
Yeah, you can't get out of the bite. Look at the moose.
It's a world record.
Hmm? Alright, let's go see Aunt Layla.
World record Yukon moose.
World record Yukon moose. Aunt Layla, they saw you and they're so excited.
And Sean, don't leave Sean out. Shout out Sean.
Oh. Sorry, Sean.
Shout out Sean.
Sorry,
guys.
Sean. They saw you
Shout
too.
out Sean, father. Poor Sean feels all alone now.
I don't see him.
Yeah.
Oh, there they are.
Oh, yeah. I was like, where are they? Where'd they go?
Oh, there they are.
Hello.
Get you guys all dressed up. You didn't have to dress up for us.